How to use social media to build your personal brand. In a world where your online persona can be as influential as your real-life actions, building a personal brand has never been more critical. Social media isn't just a playground. It's a powerful tool to carve out your niche and showcase your unique skills. Start with intention. Create profiles on platforms like Facebook, X, and LinkedIn that align with your career aspirations. Remember, a social media presence isn't just about being there. It's about being active and consistent. An editorial calendar can be your best friend, helping you to plan content that resonates and engages. Observe the brands and individuals you admire on social media. What draws you to them? Often it's their authenticity and the value they provide. Take notes and infuse your brand with the same genuine appeal. Avoid controversial topics that could tarnish your brand and instead focus on building positive relationships. Your brand's why is its heartbeat. It's the core of your narrative and what attracts your tribe. Identify your ideal audience and craft a story that speaks directly to them. Engage with like-minded communities and share your journey, creating a brand others are excited to follow. Showcase your expertise through thoughtful content and engagement. Use analytics to understand what your audience craves and tailor your strategy accordingly. Share your knowledge generously but thoughtfully, always considering the long-lasting digital footprint you're creating. Building a personal brand on social media involves strategic communication and authentic storytelling. Whether you're an individual or a business, these principles hold true. If you're overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't hesitate to seek guidance. Your brand is an investment in your future and worth getting right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.